Hello guys, good morning. And today guys, I got my parcel from Zara. So I wanted to unbox this and show you what I purchased in Zara, and all of this are on sale and still on sale. So there's so many sale in Zara guys. So if you love Zara like me, I love Zara actually. So you check out in their website, and then just you can have like the click and collect, or you just send it in your house for like £4. But this one I got it in post office, and then £3 only for delivery I paid. So let's open it. I'm so excited, and then I'm still scrolling in Zara, yeah, because maybe they have like other things. Actually they have many things, but I just control myself not to purchase so many. It's heavy guys, it's heavy. Look at it's so heavy. Okay, so the first item is, oh, this is pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, I didn't expect. It's good quality. And okay, what is this? Like some, what is this? Is it the color? Okay, it's a color. There's something like, I thought it's a dirt, but it's not. It's like a gold something. Yeah, originally it's 36 pound, but as what I can remember, I think I just paid £8 or something. Yeah. Okay, looks nice. I'm sure I will like this. Yeah, by the look of it. And then see the next. Oh my god, I feel like I'm going to purchase the items that I still have in my cart now. This is the second one. Looks nice also. It's like a shirt dress. And this one it's 60 pound, but I just purchased it like 15 pound or maybe 10 pound. So it's really like so much, 60%. Yeah, sorry, it's 60%. So you just compute it. But this one, I think I would love this, especially for spring like that. Oh, I will check it in a while, but looks nice. Yeah, we'll check it. Of course, I will check all of this. This one next. This one, look at this. It's like it will emphasize your waist. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my god. By the way, for reference, I'm 5 feet. This one, I think I will keep it also. So far, I keep the 3. Depends to when I wear it, yeah? Because I don't like when I wear it and it's like see-through. But yeah, it's thick. Oh, and this one is 26 pound, but I purchased it only like 7 pound or 8 pound. Very inexpensive. Next, okay, this trouser. Okay, it's actually it's my, I mean, I'm short, but this trouser looks fit to me. Oh god. Okay, so this one, I think I will keep it. Yeah, you cannot put belt to it, but it's okay. Yeah, cannot put belt. Normally I like something that I can put belt. And this one is 46 pound, but I'm sure I just purchased it 9 pound or 10 pound like that. Yeah, but in the picture it's a little bit more brown than this. Next, this one. Oh, this is so pretty. It's so pretty, and it's in my, I mean, my height, you know, like, because in Primark right now, their trousers are really long to me. Like, I like, I don't know, it's like in Primark, their trousers are so long for my height, And some person commented in my reel that for the taller girls, it's also short for them. So yeah, but in Zara, I like always their sizes. They have like really long, or they have also like this one, yeah? It's just good for me. And this one, it's of course sell. It's 46 pound, and I purchased it for 13 or 15 pounds. So yeah, love it. I'm going to use it. And then, oh, this dress. This is small. Yeah, yeah, small. Okay, it looks nice also. Oh my god, I think I will keep everything. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this one is nice for summer. Look at guys, it's so pretty then. Oh, especially it's sale. It's so nice when you purchase item that you didn't pay full price and you love it. Yeah, because original price is 26 pound, and I just purchased it 5 or 7 pound for this dress, guys. I think I need to start selling. Next is this dress. Okay, this one maybe I don't keep it. Let's see. Let's see how complicated it is. Okay, because I think it's a bit long to me. Wait, let me see. Yeah, I think it's so long. Yeah, it's so long, this dress. It's supposedly for party like that, but it's so long. So I think this one I will return it. Not sure, but it's so long. I don't like when it's so long. This one, oh, this is soup. I need to this is small, but I feel like this is really small for me. Look at that. Yeah, it can be stretched here. Okay, it can be stretched here, but still I feel like I cannot move. Maybe if it's medium I get. And then this one you can open it, so imagine if it will be damaged. Yeah. But I purchased last time in Zara something like this, and it's very comfy, that's why. But this one I'm not sure. When I put it on, I can decide. So check it. Then next is this one. I know it will be tall, I mean long to me. Look at that, it's long to me, but I just like the color from sometimes pop of color. And then look at that. Oh wait, it's a little bit here already here. Okay, but the price of this is 36 pound, but I just purchased it for 6 pound or 7 pound. That's why I wanted to give it a try. Even I know it's a little long. Maybe I'll just cut it. Yeah, I think I'll just cut it, guys, because of the price, you know. But it looks good. Just, and next, this one. Okay, this one is 30 pound. I purchased it for 6 pound, something 7 pound like that price. Okay, this one is my size. Oh, looks, yeah, it's my size, so definitely I'll keep it. Just, yeah, it's not see-through. I don't like when my clothes is see-through, my trouser. So yeah, this is so nice also. And this is the last. I spent 100 pound for this, and it's so much, right? For Zara, normally for Zara for 100 you just get 2 or 3 maximum. So this is another dress. that, you do like that. Okay, so this one is my size. This one looks nice, so I think I'll keep it. I mean, yeah, I will keep it. So it's like that. Yeah, and then the price of this is £50. I just purchased it 15 pound. Yeah, but it looks nice. Yeah, it's like this, you know, looks nice. Yeah, okay, so far so good. I'm happy with my purchase. So yes guys, please, if you like Zara, check it out, check her online. Okay, so yeah, I'll just show you this one last time, and then I will end this. Oh my god, oh my god, I also have Primark, but maybe I'll just do separate video of that. It's not that much, so yeah, I'll show you next time. Okay, it's almost done. There's so much. Actually, the one that I wanted supposedly is the blue one, but they don't have my size. They just have extra small. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, that is if you don't close it. You close it. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, and then you just open this. Because I wanted to wear it during spring. I don't think so in summer you can wear it. It's a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit. Okay. Oh, even now I can use it actually. Yeah. Yeah, for spring. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I have Primark. I will take video of that, and tomorrow also I'll go to Primark, so maybe I'll purchase a little bit more because it's so less. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time guys, bye bye.